How to create an Amazon business account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can create a business Amazon account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create an Amazon business account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, then just go to business.amazon.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below, and then you'll land on this website that you can see here. Once you're on the website, what you want to do is at the very top of the screen, you're going to just find this option where it says create a free account, right? You want to make sure to just tap the create a free account option over here, and then first of all it says let's create your free business account. So just make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use for your business account. Tap the get started option. As you've done that, you should already be able to go ahead and figure out if this email is in use or not. If it is already in, you can tap and continue with this email, and after you've done that, you can just select convert to a business account. And after you've done that, you can it'll ask you to simply enter an Amazon password. So you can go ahead and simply make sure to enter your Amazon password that you want to create. Tap the sign in option. It'll also ask you for some of your business details such as the location and so on, and as you've done that, your business account on Amazon will be successfully created. But instead of creating an Amazon account and going to amazon.com, you have to go to business.amazon.com, which, as I said, I will make sure to drop a link below. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.